was when I look back now, being in top 10 for almost 11, 12 years, having a 20-year-long career, achieving so many Super Series titles, waiting to become world number one for almost 7 years after becoming world number two, losing 8 world championship quarterfinals before getting the first world championship medal. I mean, it's not easy. You get sleepless nights while having food. You're thinking about kal kiske saath hai, because you have 17 tournaments in a year. So every moment you're only thinking about kal kya hoga, sahi hoga ki nahi hoga. I hope I live up to the expectations. I hope I get the Olympic medal. And when you're playing the Olympics, you have so many people sitting around there and cheering for you. And sometimes you think, I have to win for them. That feeling, I think no player can describe, because it's one of the best feelings in the world when you play in front of so many people looking at you and they are having that hopes कि साइना country के लिए कुछ achieve कर सके. And I could do that in my second Olympics, getting the bronze medal for the country. I was so proud that I could do it and I could be the first one to achieve it. And after that, as you see, there's no looking back in badminton. We have become the second most loved sport in the country. There's so many people who want to become world champions, Olympic champions now, and it's happening. But I just want to say कि कोई भी चीज़ you can't just aim कि कल ही होगा. You have to wait. You have to wait. Patience is the key. बाकी सब obviously find your ways. Whether you want to go to gym, whether you want to do meditation, whether you want to talk to your parents, whether you want to talk to yourself, because आप ही अपने बड़े दुश्मन हैं और कोई नहीं है. This is not you can't blame your parents or your teachers for that. You are the one. If you think तुझसे नहीं होगा नहीं होगा. I think you should just better sit and watch TV then. वो तो बहुत easy है. I think everyone is doing that. My father also does that after retirement. But if you fight it out and if you come out of that difficult moment and challenge yourself, I think anything is possible. That one word, anything is possible, is something I believed in. I worked with that. I was not the most talented person. I had to work on my stroke for almost every day, same drop shot, same dribble, same lift. Why? Because the others are talented there. There are so many girls who are talented with good hand, but I had to do it like 1,000 numbers of times, and they are doing it for like maybe 100 times. That's because they are talented, I am not. But I am good at running, I am good at picking up shots, I am good at making my opponent tired. Yes, I have that one quality, but हम दूसरी develop कर सकते हैं by working on it. So never think that कि मेरे पास तो एक ही है, but दूसरी भी कर सकते हैं if you want to work on it every day with your coach. Analyze it, watch your matches. It's a never-ending work, in any field, not only in sports but also in studies. I feel, many people say, दीदी रात में भी पढ़ना पड़ता है, but क्यों पढ़ना पड़ता है रात में? When you have so much of time day में, तो रात में सो ना. Why do you have to get up in the night and read it and say like दीदी रात में भी पढ़ा, रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं आया? Obviously अच्छा नहीं आएगा क्योंकि आप नींद में हैं. आप पूरा दिन पढ़िए, इतने घंटे हैं आपके पास, and then night में जो सोने का टाइम है, please recover, rest well, have good food. But I just feel that you need 30 minutes to 1 hour of some kind of workout. आपको पसीना आना ही है to feel good. You can't be sitting in AC room full day. It's not going to work. You have to go out, do cycling, do walking, do running, play any sport to be fit, to feel fresh, to feel more focused. That's how studies में भी improvement होगा. That's why I think I never failed in 11th. गई 5 दिन थी मैं स्कूल. CBSE में थी मैं पापा बोले पक्का फेल होगी ये तो. When my teachers were also hopeless, but imagine I passed out with 67% in 10th standard and I was so proud. So being a sports person, you just get that extra, I think, focus, feeling and थोड़ा meditative feeling रहता है, because 8-9 hours you're just playing on the court, not talking to anyone. But I request everyone to जितना भी हो सके आप वर्कआउट कीजिए, अपने आप से बातें कीजिए, अपने फैमिली से जो भी डिफिकल्ट मोमेंट्स है प्लीज़ एक्सप्रेस इट. रोना है तो रोइए, हंसना है तो हंसिए, बिकॉज दोज आर द इमोशंस यू हैव टू शो. अदरवाइज इट इज टफ. इफ यू कीप इट इन योर सेल्फ इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. मैंने अपनी फैमिली में देखा है, इट्स टफ. इट्स नॉट ईजी. समटाइम्स दे फील कि मुझसे नहीं हो पाया. क्यों नहीं हो पाया? क्योंकि आपने ट्राई नहीं किया. तो प्लीज़ कीप वर्किंग हार्ड. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप अपने बच्चों से कहिए कि अच्छा करें, अपने आप में बिलीव रखें कि ये पॉसिबल हो सकता है. एंड आप सब लोगों को मैं क्या बोलूँ, आप तो एक्सपर्ट होंगे ही अपने फील्ड में, बट this is my story, you know. To be a champion, you have to be in any field. You have to sacrifice a lot of things. Be ready for that. No movies, no parties, no मतलब no. जब आपने achieve किया, enjoy your life. That is when you have to enjoy and show कि मैंने किया. So these are my words. I hope कुछ बच्चे और मोटिवेट होए और स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा पढ़ाई करें. And future में I would love to see India as a sporting nation and not just 6-7 medals. I hope we get 30-40 medals in the Olympics.